Welcome to Bonhill Geography. Today we'll explore concordant and discordant coastlines, otherwise known as headlands and bays, as well as coasts. In addition to this, we'll look at wave-cut platforms, cracks, caves, arches, stacks and stumps. First, let's look at a concordant coastline. This features layers of rock that run parallel to the coast. Waves erode a weakness in the hard outer rock layer using hydraulic action and abrasion, where the force of the water compresses air, and abrasion where waves carry sediment that grinds against the rock. Now once the waves breach the hard rock, they erode the softer rock behind it. This forms a cove. A great example of this is Lulworth Cove in Dorset. In comparison, a discordant coastline has alternating layers of hard and soft rock. These are perpendicular to the coast. Now these headlands change over time, because waves can exploit a crack in the headland through hydraulic action. Continued erosion by hydraulic action and abrasion can enlarge the crack into a cave. Erosion then breaks through the headland, forming an arch. Now the arch can collapse due to salt crystallization, which can weaken the rock, widening the arch legs, which also reduces the support. Now this can also happen due to biological weathering, where roots from the top of the arch essentially grow into the rock and weaken it further. It can also occur due to oversaturation of the rock above the arch, which can lead to its collapse. When the roof of the arch collapses, this leaves behind a stack. The stack is eroded at tide action level, which creates a wave-cut notch at the base. This eventually causes it to collapse, leaving behind a stump and a wave-cut platform. The Old Harry Rocks in Dorset are a perfect example of this. Now for a wave-cut platform. This is a flat area found at the base of a cliff. The waves erode the base of the cliff through hydraulic action and abrasion, which creates a notch. The notch then enlarges, causing the cliff above to collapse as it becomes more unsupported. The debris is then washed away, which leaves behind a wave-cut platform. But before the rocks are washed away, the rates of erosion actually decrease until they are removed. The wave-cut platform at Flamborough Head is a great example of this. Now to recap, in this video we've explored the formation of coves on concordant coastlines, the sequence of landforms on discordant coastlines, and the creation of a wave-cut platform. Here are two example questions that you could potentially encounter in your exams. For example, the first question was found pretty much in the 2024 paper recently, where we had to explain the processes that occur between headlands and bays, or how they change over time. The second question is explain the formation of a erosional landform you have studied. Now I would recommend that you use crack, cave, arch, stack, stump for this. On the next slide there are two model answers, followed by different landforms that you can also mention. But remember, for a 6-mark question we need to have 2 point evidence explain paragraphs. Thank you for watching Bonhill Geography. I'll catch you in the next video.